everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making tzatziki sauce. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so for today's recipe, all you're going to need is some Greek yogurt, some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice, some garlic, and cucumbers. So for the cucumbers, I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit, but you are going to need either a cloth or a towel or something like that to drain all of the water from the cucumbers. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is cut your cucumber. Now I like to cut the ends off, that's just personal preference, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut this down lengthwise. Okay, so then from here, what you're going to want to do is take a teaspoon, whatever it is you have, and carve out those seeds because they're super watery. You can already see it splashing around as I'm scraping them down. Now you're going to want to do this because of course you want a nice thick creamy tzatziki sauce. You don't want something that's going to be super watery. Okay, so then you should have something that looks like this. Okay, now we are not going to be using the inside here, so here you can eat it if you want, you can discard it, it's really up to you. Okay, so then you're just going to want to do this again with all the rest of your cucumbers. Now, the amount of the cucumbers that you use is going to depend on however many servings that you have. So the recipe that I'm going to link down below, it actually auto converts everything for you, so you can pick exactly how many servings that you want and then go from there. Okay, so now that we have all of our cucumbers gutted, basically, what we're going to want to do next is we're going to grate our cucumbers, and then once you're done doing that, you're just going to want to take them in the paper towel or whatever it is you have and just drain out all the extra liquid. Okay, so that's the longest part. Now all you're going to do is take all of the rest of the ingredients, put them in a bowl, mix them up, and then you're done. Now, this is a sauce that is going to taste better over time. So I would recommend to at least let it sit for 20 minutes in the fridge before you start eating it. It's just going to taste that much better. Okay, so we have our Greek yogurt. This is 2.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt. Okay, then we have our garlic. You're just going to want to mince that up. Then we have our lemon, our extra virgin olive oil, or if you have Greek olive oil, that is better. And finally, our salt and pepper. Can't forget the cucumber. So the most important part of this recipe is the cucumber and making sure you're draining them properly. But this wouldn't be tzatziki sauce without some dill. So just like the other herbs in our herb garden, I take the dill and I put it in a damp paper towel and then just let it sit in the fridge. I also have some in the freezer, but you need dill for this recipe. It's not the same without it, and I can literally put dill in anything. Now this is up to you. You can mince it if you want. You can do really whatever it is that you want. I just like kind of picking it off the leaves and putting it in there. And I go heavy on the dill, so this is personal preference. This is the first time that I've had an herb garden, so I'm super excited to be able to make this tzatziki sauce with actual herbs and dill that I grew from right outside. Now I didn't mention this before, but a cheaper route if you didn't want to get Greek yogurt is you can use sour cream. It's pretty similar. It's not going to be exactly the same, and that's not how we make it in our family, but you can do sour cream, or if that's all you have at your house, you can most definitely use that. Okay, so now we're done and we're all mixed up, so we're just going to go ahead and plop this right in the fridge and let that sit for about 20 minutes. Okay, so now that our tzatziki sauce is done chilling in the fridge, I'm just going to taste them. Let's see, I'm just going to dip cucumber in here and see. Home run. This was so good, you guys. This is gonna be an awesome dip if you wanna dip some veggies, if you wanna add it to a wrap, you wanna add it to your chicken, but anything that you want. It's super versatile. Now I am gonna be having a Greek gyro recipe, which I'm going to be using tzatziki sauce, so definitely keep an eye out for that. I will make sure to link it up on the screen or down in the description box whenever I do upload it. Well, that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.